What's this?
I have planted tracker chips inside you all.
You planted what inside me?
I have a chip in me.
Is it my tracker? Am I dying?
Relax, it's Zog's tracker.
Hey, Irby,
Yeah?
about the values which the tracker displays. I'm sure a variable holds them in the tracker program.
Yep.
So, I wonder, how does Mr. Python create new variables each time?
Come again?
I think Mr. Python makes a new variable each time to hold the value of new locations.
Ha. Ow, 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 my cheek. Stop, you're hurting me.
No, Theo. Mr. Python is not making a variable on its own here.
Oh, is that so?
Yeah, variables are made by those who write the program.
If Mr. Python is not making new variables, where do all the values get stored for new locations in the program?
What? You giving up?
Like hell. I can't think of anything except a variable that holds multiple values together.
Good.
Huh?
Yes, Theo, we can store more than one value in a variable.
We can? But how?
Here, let me show you.
Okay, so it's a variable which holds multiple values in.
Yup, and we call them list.
And for Mr. Python to identify each value separately,
We use comma in between two values.
Right.
But what's the use of square brackets here?
oh, Mr. Know-it-all has a doubt?
Said something, Zoe?
It helps Mr. Python to identify the group of values as list.
I can see. All the values are inside quotes except the last value. So, is that a mistake?
Or maybe a list can hold multiple kinds of values?
Like string and numbers?
Uh-huh.
All clear.
All right, let's print to see what it displays.